Hey folks, I'm out trimming my hedges this morning, and I was thinking about all the people who might be out there looking for a job, sending in resumes, those kind of things. And I was thinking that maybe I should tell all of you I've got a podcast that if you do what I teach you in that podcast, and it's free, go listen to it. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. If you want to get your resume read the day you send it in, do what I teach you in that podcast. So I'm gonna put a link right here in this post, but it's episode 26. You can find that on the Blue Collar Leadership podcast, or you can go to the Blue Collar Leadership YouTube channel, and the podcast audio uploads there. So go to the podcast menu, scroll down to episode 26 and check that out. And I believe somewhere around episode 24 through 28, there's some other podcasts that may help you out. But if you're tired of sending in resumes and not knowing if they're getting read and competing with hundreds of other people to get your resume seen, do what I teach you in episode 26, and it's gonna get seen, I promise you. You're probably gonna get an interview. Talk to you next time.